What's up, guys? If you're a real estate investor, I have one of the most exciting pieces of news that I've had in a very long time. Hubzu, one of the nation's largest public auction platforms, has just opened up and announced that they are accepting off-mark wholesale deals, where if you're a wholesaler and you have a contract in place, we can now partner with Hubzu where they will actually publicly auction off the property and the contract in a public format. Now, the first step in getting started, very simple. We want to go to hubzuoffmarket.com. Again, Hubzu, Hubzu, offmarket.com. That brings us to the initial sign up and onboarding process. Now, in this onboarding process, it's very simple. First step is you go ahead and sign up. Fill out your first, last name, your company name, what you do business under, phone number, and email. After that is taken care of, the success team will reach out to you to get your onboarding paperwork taken care of. Now, steps from there, as we're getting moving, you'll sign a JV agreement. Now, there's been an exclusive relationship that's been signed with a nationwide dispo company that has worked relentlessly to build out the Hubzu platform so that we can open it up to real estate wholesalers across the board. So there's a standard JV agreement that gets downloaded. And after that, you get a call set up with the Hubzu success team where we can talk about the onboarding process from there. Once the process is in motion, a couple different documents that we want to look at. If you currently have a contract, okay, if you have a property under contract already and you're looking to get this contract uploaded into the system, there's one piece of paper we need to do, and that's a Hubzu addendum. So we have what is called a approved purchase and sale agreement that anybody that's coming into the platform, we encourage them to start utilizing that in their acquisitions and their off-market real estate deals. That way we can simply upload it, one document fits all, and that approval gets all of the properties uploaded onto the site for public auction. If you already have a contract in motion, you already have a property that's locked up under contract, there's one piece of paper that needs to be signed, and that is the Hubzu approved purchase addendum. Okay. Now this addendum simply states just the parties, all the agreements remain the same. And the big clause that we're looking at here is authorization to market. A seller hereby grants buyer authority to market the property, list the property for sale, and show prospective purchasers, occupants, anything else in between. This clause gives us the ability to market the contract, the wholesale deal on the public auction site. Now, moving forward, and you're going to go through this process with your onboarding manager, but moving forward, we have a approved purchase and sale agreement, right? So in this case, this is an example where property address, and it's got the company name, right? Which this will obviously be your company. Description goes down here, property located at 123 Main Street, written as follows, right? Got all the information, purchase price of the property, what is the earnest money deposit, TBD, we always recommend that you put to be determined for the attorneys in these cases, right? This has always been standard protocol inside of our business because we want to make sure that we have the flexibility, depending on which state the contract is in, that we can assign it to an appropriate title company that can handle the business, right? But very simple. You guys can go over the information in the contract and then go from there. But again, this is an incredible opportunity. If you don't know who Hubzu is, this is in the realm of auction.com, right? Hubzu and Altisource, they are publicly traded companies, very big deal. And they're now opening up their platform for real estate investors to come in and auction their properties. So I'm going to do a deep dive and some more trainings coming up to show you guys the roadmap and how you can get involved in this gold rush. But for now, go ahead and create a free account at hubzuoffmarket.com. And again, guys, get ready for the gold rush. This is going to provide an incredible opportunity for the nationwide dispo process. Get out there, guys. Stay great.